Two key economic flashpoints pushed the dollar dramatically higher today. The first happened early this morning as the US Federal Reserve signalled interest rates there won't rise as fast as first expected, the dollar jumping 1 US cent. The second was immediately after the February jobless report, the unemployment rate better than forecast, but that doesn't mean everyone is keeping their jobs. Walking off the job and on strike until Monday.
We've just been told 120 full-time equivalent jobs to go.
Fairfax is slashing editorial staff across its Sydney and Melbourne newsrooms just as official statistics reveal an improvement in the unemployment rate from 6% to 5.8% in February.
It does demonstrate the underlying strength in the Australian economy.
Full-time jobs outpaced a decline in part-time positions, but in total just 300 were created. The headline result boosted by thousands of people who gave up looking for work.
Overall, I'd say it's a cautious number, but it does fit in with our idea that the labour market is growing roughly around population. It's creating enough jobs to stabilise things.
Across the country, New South Wales has the best jobless rate, Queensland improved the most, but South Australia's unemployment rate rose by nearly 1%.
That data was much better than the market expected, and so the result is likely to put any further decline on local interest rates on hold for at least the next few months.
But what the Reserve Bank Board will be concerned about is the rising Australian dollar, which has surged by about 10% against the US dollar since the beginning of this year.
Even a stronger currency, and I'll even stick my toe in there and say something like 78 cents, would still keep the RBA on the sidelines as long as we're getting these okay domestic numbers.
Also on the sidelines for now is the US Federal Reserve. It's pared back its interest rate expectations from 4 to 2 increases this year, despite a strengthening labour market.
But there's still room for improvement. Involuntary part-time employment remains somewhat elevated, and wage growth is yet to show a sustained pickup.
The US unemployment rate stands at 4.9%.